What if a planet could whisper secrets to us? Venus, with its dense and harsh atmosphere, presents a fascinating yet overlooked acoustic mystery. Scientists discovered that as radio waves pass through Venus's dense clouds, they produce eerie, low-frequency sounds that can echo through the cosmos. These sound waves, while altered, offer an otherworldly glimpse into the planet's atmospheric dynamics. Researchers speculate that this whispering phenomenon could inform us about Venus's weather patterns and geology, raising questions we've yet to answer. As we continue to decipher these cosmic echoes, could they ultimately lead to a deeper understanding of our celestial neighbors? Tune in to unlock the secrets of Venus's murmurs.